Hi guys, what's up? Day 2 here at the college. So just got the allotment as you've seen in the last video. So my time is running badly. Yesterday when I went to 1.8 hostel, my room was locked with 2 locks. So by the time I went there, it's almost crossed 6 o'clock. So they said that you need to come during the working hours so that we can give you the other lock. So it means one is our lock and one is the college lock. So now I got the college lock, but while going from this hostel, 1K hostel to 1.8 hostel, I forgot taking my old, our own key. So again I came to 1K hostel, and now I took the key. Now again I have to go to 1.8K and get all that luggage. So this walking from here to there itself and coming from there to here is the biggest task. So Ashish, Madhu and Premchand already went to Ashish's room and they started, I guess, packing their luggage. Actually Ashish's lock is not there, I mean it's self-lock. So now we have to break that lock. So it's again a huge task for him to break that lock and take all his luggage out. So I'm again just almost reaching 1.8K. So all of them are there. I think they are waiting for someone to break that lock.
Now Malayala Sai Charan is opening his room after 1.5 years.
One lockdown. Government lockdown. Hey, chicken nuggets. This is Rahul's bed and that is my bed. Just now I sent some of my luggage with the Premchand and Madhu and Ashish. So my mattress is also gone there. This is Rahul's mattress. He is my roommate. So his luggage is there still here. So when he comes, he will take. And this is the bag. First day when I came to Native Warangal. So in that bag I have got all my luggage. And from that day, that bag is lying over there. So just now I brought took down this bag and just cleaned all the dust over it. And the main thing is it's a number password lock. I forgot the lock. Then I have an idea, how to crack the password. So I use that. Of course I don't use it on others. Just whenever I forgot my password, I will apply that trick to unlock that. That is what I did now. So now I sent shoes, bucket, mattress and some books. Now the leftover items here, I should pack all this and then put all that in the bag and then take that back to 1K hostel. So this is the task for the day. After going there, I have to arrange everything there. So after coming into the room, I can get that nostalgic moments. So which we stayed just for 6 to 7 months, but I have a lot of memories with this room. This is the amount of junk I have in all this almara of my almara. Still I have a lot of spets box over there. Still I have extra sports box, so I am not taking them. So these are all my EG sheets, engineering graphics sheets of my first year. So you can see it, right? And so motivational workshop, mega donation camp, student council ID card, and this is student council motivational workshop ID card. And I guess there are these certificates from Red Cross also. So depend on physical education, BTech first year volleyball. This is Youth Fest mega voluntary blood donation. I just donated my blood. These are the certificates I have. And here goes my mug and everything. And at the end, my pillow. Hope everything fits in this. Finally, my luggage is set. So bye bye 1.8K as well as 1K. See you soon. And you can see all those bottles there, cool drinks. So whenever we are in the first year, we used to bring cool drinks and just drink it in this room. So we usually stay more than 5 to 6 members in this room. So that's the end of 1.8K with this room. Now I have to lock these rooms and submit these logs there. Here is my room, and just remember this mark over here. So I will talk about this later in the upcoming videos. thanks Ra. Madhu. So this is second take number 2. Thank you friends and Madhu, thank you Ra. So he's Ashish. Sorry, carpenter has come. So carpenter has come and they have broke his lock. Ashish, how is your experience?
Very bad.
50% of setting is already completed. Now we are going to have a lunch. After that I have to set my room too. So mostly like we have shifted all the beds to here itself. 2 beds is here. So in that room like I have to set up table, chair and everything there. So if everything is set, we are good to go. Lunch. So I think this is the canteen area here in this 3rd floor. Maybe soon they are going to open that. If that is going to open, like almost all will get everything there to have like snacks and all. This is my room. So just all set. So done with the allotment. Now I'm back to room. So I have to like wait until Ashish gets fresh up. So after he baths, so I will go for bath. And once the total room setup is done, I will show you a separate detailed video of my room setup. So they are saying that they are going to shift us to other block after 6 days. So I'm thinking to wait until like to set up everything. So wait setting up that thing, because so once after setting up everything here, and if they ask us to move there again, there I need to do that same work. So that is the reason for now like temporary setup I made. So once they shift us to another block, I will make a permanent setup there, and I have very good plans for that. Let's see how it is going to happen, and that's it. So today like don't know like what are all the plans in the evening. So I just completed taking bath. So I had ordered this. Let me show you with my back camera. My mom is gifting me this Colorfit Pro 3 Assist. Thank you mommy. So just order this. Actually, I'm a very big fan of smartwatches actually. So it's been since long I wanted to like have my own smartwatch. Finally, my mom is going to gift me this. So she asked me to book. So I booked now itself. So I'm really looking forward for it. So that is the second gift which I'm gifting from my mom, and this is the first gift which I got. My headset. This costed me around 2,500. During some sale I got this. So this is a Firebolt over-ear headphones. So I like over-ear headphones actually, that is why I ordered that. And its performance till now it's at its best. I almost used it around more than 4 to 5 months now. So I'm happy with that product too. So same thing, like I heard that in Noise Colorfit Pro 3 Assist. So there are 2 types in Pro 3 Assist. Pro 3, one is with assistance and one is without assistance. So I am buying like with assistance, like Alexa is there in that, and the second one Alexa will not be there. So that is somewhere around 3,300. This is somewhere around 3,600. So I don't think 300 is not that, like 300 is not much difference, and getting one extra feature which is assist, and also this is more like waterproof than the one. So this is 580 waterproof and the other one is IP68. So this is more water resistant than the other one. So that is why I considered buying this Pro 3 Assist, which cost me around 3,600 in the Noise website itself. So from website only I directly ordered. So maybe soon within 5 to 6 days I may receive that order too. Going out to meet some of my friends. Ashish already went to his department. He is from metallurgy department actually. I am from biotech department. If you want to watch the campus tour of NIT Warangal, so I will be leaving the link somewhere here on the iTabs, and also my Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID. Do follow there. All seen that at that time I tried to dust out my mattress and also like used broomstick in the room. So due to that, like some of the dust has stuck here somewhere here. So I am getting lot of cough due to that. I am unable to breathe properly, so it will take some time to be alright. And one of the toughest thing again is whenever we wanted to go up or whenever we wanted to come down, there are only 4 lifts, out of which only 2 will stop at 3rd floor. So we have to wait for the lift. So that is the toughest task again. So now just lift has come. So now just let me get in and go down. Here is our main building, NIT Warangal main building. So I think in the last vlog I have shown you the Times Square, right? That is where I am here now. I am here at the Times Square actually. So one of the best thing happened is like just I sat there and I was just browsing through the just going through my mobile. So just seeing all the posts of Insta. So some of the parents with their students, actually PWD verification is going on for JOSA candidates. So they have come here and they have recognized me and they have talked with me, and they like kind of they gave some appreciation to me, and I'm really like happy for that. So this is what I got in this 1.5 year of lockdown. Yesterday I have said in the last video, right? So I'm really happy. It's kind of I think some kind of happiness in my heart, so which I can't express it in proper way. I'm feeling it, but I'm unable to express it in in the words. Just came out to have some snacks. So this is how it is. This is the cycle track actually, but they have converted into like food truck area. So this is how it looks. This area, this side is our college, and this side is Hanmakonda city. This is the second time which I came outside again. There, that fellow Ashish fellow, just for thumbs up, he again brought us out. So that is the situation. Inside there is Masa. He don't want it since he want to just drink thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and now he's drinking. Just see here. Second time came out. We went inside till the hostel, near to the hostel, and again we came back.